don't you wanna go?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Well, this is where I'm gonna have to say goodbye to y'all. It's been fun, Miss Rebecca.
Us too,
Oh,
Art.
yes.
Looks like it's gonna be a nice warm night coming up, Nathan. You going in them woods?
Oh, yeah. And coons and possums better hide deep from us tonight.
Critters in the woods better hide tonight. Oh, Lord, hide tonight. Hide tonight. Oh, Lord, hide tonight. Hide tonight. Oh, Lord, hide tonight. Hide tonight. Critters in the woods better hide tonight.